Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll make a video that will apply to any vehicle. If you're wondering whether you need new brake rotors, disc rotors, guys, we'll show you how to do that. Now, first thing, when you install new brake pads, you either have to have your disc rotors turned, which means that they cut a thin layer and they make them smooth, so you don't have any vibrations and you don't have any canals that will eat the new brake pads, or you have to install the new brake rollers. So on that BMW, guys, right here that we have on the channel, we'll show you now, okay, where to find the information for the minimum thickness of the rotor, and also we'll show you on another car because it's a little bit different, so depending on which vehicle you have. So on BMWs usually, guys, and most German cars, you find it on the top of the rotor, okay? And if it's rusty, you need to get a fine sandpaper like 400, okay, wipe it down with we usually use rubbing alcohol, and you'll be able to find it somewhere. Okay, right here, okay, we have the number. Okay, check it out now. It says minimum thickness, okay, 21.1 millimeters. Okay, it's right here. It's very hard to see. If you clean it a little bit better, you'll be able to see it even better. Okay, so we have our caliper here now. Okay, and okay, let me go ahead and zero in. Okay, it's zero now. So the minimum of that rotor is 21.1. Okay, let's check, okay, what ours is now. 23.5. So we still have about 1.4 millimeters. So we are still safe to go. Because we installed new pads not too long ago. You can see right now it's rusty because we have fog. Okay, you can see how foggy it is, so it doesn't take much for us to build on the rollers, but once you hit the brake one time, it's gone. But that's how you check it on this one. Now, on Hyundai Elantra or any Korean vehicles usually, and other vehicles as well, okay, you might be able to find the information for minimum thickness, okay, right here. Okay, right here you can see this one says minimum thickness 21.4 millimeters. Okay, right here. And we put new rotors on that Elantra because we were gonna go have them cut at the shop there, but what happened actually, they said that after they cut them they will be too thin. Okay, like this one is 8.4, this one was the rear one. And let's check, okay, this one minimum is 21.4. And let's see what we have here now. Okay, we have 22.1, so after they cut it, it will be too thin, and that's why we had to replace them, and the rear ones as well. So that's how you guys check that. Just a quick video to show you how to do it, so you don't waste your money, or you know that you need to get new rotors, because if it breaks, you're with no brakes. So yeah, that's no fun. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.